Hi everyone, I'm coming on to do just a really quick share of a couple things I forgot to show you. I was printing out the Dianna Marcum digital images, and I decided to print them 9 to a page to make them a little bit smaller. So I'm going to try this size to either make some tags or some cards with. So I'm excited to have all those printed out to color. But I wanted to show you a file that I purchased at Iralamija Shop using the discount code JillMay 2022 or JillMay 22. So this is a new file that she has in her shop, and it has these little octagon pieces of almost like fabric on the sheet, and it says postcard down here. It has stitching and like crochet, as well as roses and text. And so this is one of the sheets. It's 5 different sheets in a single pack, and I've printed them card size because I'm a card maker, but you can also print them journal page size or whatever, printer capacity you have. But I just love all 4 of them. This one has text on it as well as roses and stitching. And then this one has text in the middle, roses, and then stitching around the outside. And here's the one that has the little quilted squares and then, or quilted octagons. And then this one has a whole section of quilting to it, which I just love. So anyway, and then there's also this page that has stitching, just stitching all the way through it. So it's just a stitched background that you could use for your cards. And then I printed 2 more of my favorite one, which is this quilted piece. So I just thought I would come on and show you those and just remind you that the coupon code for Iralamija Shop is good through May 30th. And so I just wanted to show you guys these papers, and I printed these out to play with tonight, and I'm going to be making some projects with them soon. So between that and these sweet Dianna Marcum digitals, just a little crafty minute to share with you. And then I forgot to show you guys, this was some stuff that I got from the paper studio on my Hobby Lobby haul that I didn't show you. But it's these little ribbons, and they sell these on Amazon too. But these were 50% off, so I got them for $3.50. And you're getting a spool of 2 different colors in each pack. So this is a kind of a melonberry and a light pink, and then this is a kind of a aqua tealy color combination. So I did pick these up. They were $3.50 for the 2 spools of the different colors, and they had more colors there, but these were the 2 that I chose. So that's all I wanted to share with you. Thanks for taking a look at my channel and watching my videos, and always leaving such lovely comments. Gabby Paleo left me a nice comment tonight I was reading, but so many of you comment frequently, and I really appreciate and enjoy reading and interacting with everybody. So thanks for watching my channel. Everybody have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye now.